So now let's work on an example. So here we're going to generate usernames with given the first initial and the first 7 characters of a last name. So we're gonna prompt the user to enter their first name, their last name, then we're gonna concatenate the first initial with the 7 charts of the last name, and we'll print the username on the screen. So here's how the program should work. So ask user for the first name, ask for the second name, and generate a username. And here's another example. Ask for the first name and last name and generate a username. So let's try this in Sublime Text. So first thing we want to do is I want to save this empty file as let's call it username.py. Then I want to make sure I save it in the lecture 4 folder. And here we go. So from here, I'm in the CIS 6 folder. As you can see from here as well, I can go into lecture 4 and I can see what I have in here. So I have a program called username, and to run this program I can say python 3 username.py. Alright, so nothing happened because we have nothing saved in here yet. Alright, so let's write our program. So let's write a main function. We don't have to write a main function, but it's certainly very common to do so. So first we can ask for an input, and then we can say please enter your first name, all lowercase, and second we can say input. This time we're going to ask for the last name. Right, so now we need to concatenate both into a new variable called username. Username is first initial, which is 0, plus, let's make this last, and last, first 7 characters. If it's less than 7, it will take whatever it has, so I shouldn't create any problem. Okay, so now we want to print, and we can say username, and we can put username here. All right, so let's call the main function so you can run. If you forget to call the main function, your program is not going to run, because without this it's only a function definition, but having call to main, not only did you define the main function, but you also call it to run. So that's why you need that. So I'm gonna make sure I save this and we can run. So first name Irfan, last name Ortak, and this is my username.